Now the next one is chemical grouting. So as the cement grouting indicate, same as chemical grouting also indicate. So the answer is when you have the water table condition problem nearer to your existing building and you need to change that physical characteristics of any of the water contaminant area, at that time I choose chemical grouting. Okay, so in the chemical grouting, almost we just introduce that grouting process nearer to my foundation work. So what happening in this process? First I install perforated pipe. Okay, and then after I choose hard rod or hard pipe. The material is pumpable from the hard pipe and come out from the perforated pipe. Okay, now how? Like this. So I just starting the pure and it is come out from that perforated pipe, and just I change the physical characteristics of my any of the water body, either when the structure is nearer to the river body or sea body, or it is affected by the any of that particular water table. So it is only relevant to that condition. Okay, so at that time I choose the chemical grouting. Why? Because to change the physical characteristics. Okay, now the next one is polyurethane grouting. So I need that type of grouting when I feel any crack, and to repair that type of crack I choose polyurethane grouting. Okay, so consider that it is your manhole and here is some of the cracks, and this is your main road and here it is a crack. So I need to repair manhole and road work. So for that type of work I choose polyurethane grouting. So what is the process? The process is look like, okay, so this is the main agency killer that can provide every type of grouting process. Okay, they have particular website, you can check that website. So you have so many varieties in grouting process. Clear? So this is the way how we choose the polyurethane grouting process. Okay, now the next one is Vibro Compaction grouting. So as we indicate earlier that the Vibro Compaction grouting and the jet grouting are almost the same. Clear? So this is the process how we choose the Vibro Compaction. As the name indicate, we just go with the vibration, but only one thing is differ. Which one? In the Vibro Compaction grouting, instead of using grout, we just providing the sand, and that sand is laid down on the top of the ground, and because of vibration they coming to start at my grouting process, and that hard my strata entirely. Clear? So as name indicate, vibro that means vibration, compact that means compaction. So with the help of compaction of utilize of vibration, we choose Vibro Compaction method. Okay, so you can see in here that only the parameters used for the vibration is water. Okay, now consequence of grouting. So what is the actual process when I choose the grouting process? Okay, so these are the different sequence relevant to the different types of construction. So first I need to initiate with the excavation work when I choose the grouting process. Okay, now also acquire one thing, that the grouting process is also used to stabilize my entire excavation area. For example, if I need to start excavation here and for any of the construction work, I establish for example G+10 building or high rise building. So during that I also stabilize the nearer area or surrounding area. Clear? So for that type of practice I also choose the grouting process. Clear? Now then to consider this thing, here I need to construct any of the building. For that I start the excavation work, and this is my side face or cutting face. Clear? So drilling process. So now the next process is we provide the drill to my side face like this and this with the help of this equipment. Then the next one is installation of nail. So what is the nail? So you can see easily here that it is a nail bar or it is a nail. That is a fixed rod that can be established for my upcoming construction. And then after, I start my grouting process. And after completion of grouting process, I place the reinforcement to the entire work. Like you can see easily that this is your grout and this is your entire reinforcement. Okay, then the next one is provide the shotcrete. It is also another part of that particular construction work in terms of special work, but we do not consider this right now. But the shotcrete is a pumpable cement paste. In a simple language, it is a pumpable cement paste. Okay, so during the shotcrete work and installation of the bearing plate. Okay, so this is your reinforcement and this is your shotcrete work. So you can see easily. And then after, I have this type of work. It is relevant to the different repeat of your step, and you have the final subgrade layer. Okay, so this is the entire process of that grouting as well as with the use of shotcrete method. Clear? So after that, I have the stabilized soil here, and I start my construction work at here. Okay, so this is the main advantage of grouting process. Clear? So this is your final output, how it is look like. So here you can see so many types of small hole like this, here, 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 here. The each and every hole is represented this process, this. Okay, even though if you are going to Matheran or Saputara or Mahabaleshwar, then you can also see this type of wall during the tunnel work. Okay, so that part also none other than grouting work as well as shotcrete work. The shotcrete is almost used for the tunnel work. Okay, so at the end of this lecture, we also completed the groundwater excavation with the grouting process. Clear? From the next lecture, we again start with one of the content from the special work. Okay, so thank you so much for attending this lecture or watching this video.